Now let us look at slightly less obvious questions here, which need some manipulations. So integration of e power x times x by x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube, e power x times 2 minus x by 1 minus x whole square. So this question also looks like e power x times some expression in the bracket, and e power x times again some expression in the bracket. So integration of e power x times, but here you don't see anything like fx plus f dash of x. If I split it x by x plus 1 whole cube minus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube, if I do this, it doesn't work, because the differentiation of this is not this, or neither the differentiation of this is this. So this simplification does not work. So you need to think of some way in which you can express this bracket as a function plus its differentiation. So you can think of it as something like this: e power x times x minus 1 can be written as x plus 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube dx. That is equal integration of e power x times x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube is 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube dx. So now you can see this as f of x, and the differentiation of this is this. What is the differentiation of 1 by x plus 1 whole square? Minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube. So this is f of x. This minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube is completely the differentiation of that. So this becomes, answer is e power x times 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus c. So this is the answer. Next, if we go for e power x into 2 minus x by 1 minus x whole square, here what we do is, again, if you directly separate this, it won't work. So integration of e power x times 2 minus x can be written as 1 plus 1 minus x by 1 minus x whole square dx. So this can be written as integration of e power x times 1 by 1 minus x whole square plus 1 minus x by 1 minus x is 1 by 1 minus x dx. So if you take 1 by 1 minus x as the function, what is the differentiation of this? Minus 1 by 1 minus x whole square times the differentiation of 1 minus x is minus 1. So minus and minus gets cancelled. If you take this as f of x, this exactly is your f dash of x. So answer is e power x times f of x 1 by 1 minus x plus c. So sometimes the expression in the bracket will not be very obvious. So you need to manipulate and convert it into some function plus its differentiation. So that is where your skill lies. So if you can do that, the question gets solved. If you cannot do that, the question becomes difficult.